And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the sharpening function in Adobe Lightroom. Got a new image, you will find that via the description link below. Just use the short key E or click on Edit to open this panel, and then we use the drop down detail. There are three functions: sharpening, noise reduction, and color noise reduction. So the effect is really small, as you can see. So we'll zoom in, just to left click, and then you can move around while holding the left mouse button. And if I increase the sharpening now, you can see it, especially on the mountains up here. Noise reduction just adds a little bit to it. Same goes for color noise reduction. You can see it best in the mountain area. We've got drop downs for these, detail and contrast for the noise reduction. That should be fine. Let me close that, and the color noise reduction has a drop down as well. And again, it's detail and its smoothness. Look specifically at this area to see the small effect. On the detail, especially sharpening has a huge impact, and it has 3 sliders in total. Let me increase it completely. When you zoom out, you can still see the difference, even though it's a difference in detail. You don't want to over sharpen your images, but when you adjust the sliders below, like radius, you should increase the sharpening completely. That way you can see the effect even better. Radius should be quite small. When you hold Alt, you can see what's really being adjusted here. Let me go down to 0.6. Once again, look at the mountain area. And you can see now it looks really unnatural. You can also hold Alt and you see what's being changed here. But for masking, I want to zoom out, so I'll hold Control and use the mouse wheel. And now we'll look at the sky. I hold Alt, and I want to turn the sky into a dark, completely black area while holding Alt and using the slider under masking. So now this is not really affected by the sharpening, and that's what I want for the sky. Now we'll go down with the sharpening until we've got a natural look. Something like this would be nice. So as I've said, it's a difference in detail. You really have to zoom in to see it, and you can see the original and the one with the detail adjustments, especially the mountains. They show you a little bit of sharpening effect. And that's everything you need to know about sharpening and the detail panel in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.